Shall we derive the reverberation time period or reverberation time given by t equals to 0.16 v by a, where v is the volume of the room or hall, or a is the total absorption of all the surfaces in the room. And this formula is for when v is measured in feet cube, and we see that this formula does not apply for a dead room in which there is a very large absorption. In the limiting case of complete absorption, when a equals to 1, the reverberation time captive must be 0, but this result does not follow from the Sabin's formula. The formula is only for a live room, that is live room formula. So this formula gives only live room formula. Now we see the firings formula, which is for both for live room and dead room. So Eyring obtained a reverberation formula on the assumption that sound image could be used to replace the walls of a room in calculating the rate of decay of sound energy after the sound is cut off. And his formula is given by Eyring's formula, that is time period reverberation t equals to k into v by minus s log 1 minus a bar. Here k is a constant and cap s is the total area of the observing surfaces, and a average is the average absorption coefficient given by a average equal to sigma a into delta s by cap s equals to a by s, cap a by cap s. That is cap a represent total absorption, now this formula applies to live as well as to dead rooms. Now for a perfect dead rooms, that is open space, a bar equals to 1 for a open space, that is perfect dead room. Open space that is called perfect dead room. A bar equals to 1, hence reverberation time becomes t equals to k into v by minus cap s log 0 equals to k into v by infinity equals to 0. And for a live room, a bar is very small, and so log 1 minus a bar equals to equivalent to minus of a bar, hence time period of reverberation, that is t equals to k into cap b by cap s into a bar. So and which is same as the Sabin's formula. The Sabin's formula is a special case of more general Eyring's formula. Here S is the total observing surfaces of the room. Now we see the sound absorption coefficient, definition of sound absorption coefficient. Sound absorption coefficient. The sound absorption coefficient of a surface may be defined as the ratio of the sound energy absorbed by the surface to that falling on it. Since all the sound energy falling on an open window passes through it, the absorption coefficient of open window is 1. Hence, the absorption coefficient of any surface can also be defined as the ratio of the sound energy absorbed by the surface to that absorbed by an open window. So with this, I would like to end this lecture here.